What if I told you that you could turn a single weekend, a few tools, and some scrap wood, into $500 or more? Yes, you heard that right. With the right small woodworking projects, you can earn real money fast, even if you're just getting started. Today, I'm revealing 5 small, high-demand woodworking projects that sell like crazy at craft fairs, online marketplaces, and even right in your neighborhood. Welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel where creativity meets craftsmanship, and where every project has the potential to earn you extra income. Number 1, Rustic Wooden Serving Trays. Serving trays are timeless, stylish, and incredibly easy to build. People love them for home decor, breakfast in bed, and gifting. Use reclaimed wood or pine, add metal handles, and finish with a satin clear coat. These typically sell for $40 to $60 each, and you can make several in just a few hours. Number 2, Lift-Top Mini Storage Boxes. These compact boxes with a lift-top design are popular because they're both functional and beautiful. Great for jewelry, keys, or desk organization. Use contrasting wood tones for a premium look. Each box can sell for $25 to $40, and many buyers purchase more than one. Number 3, Small Plant Stands. Indoor plants are trending, and people love stylish wooden stands that elevate their decor. These are fast to build, use minimal lumber, and require simple joinery. You can easily sell each stand for $35 to $50, and they take less than an hour to assemble. Number 4, Custom Wooden Coasters. Coasters are one of the easiest woodworking products to batch produce. Burn patterns using a wood-burning tool, add epoxy accents, or personalize them with initials. Sets of 4 sell for $20 to $30, and you can make several sets in one afternoon. Number 5, Entryway Key and Mail Organizers. Everyone loves a clean, organized entryway. A small wall-mounted organizer with hooks, a shelf, and a mail slot is always in demand. These sell for $50 to $70, especially if you offer customizable stains or nameplates. With just these 5 projects, you could easily reach or exceed $500 next weekend, as long as you price your work well and list your items where buyers are already shopping. And if you're looking for full, step-by-step woodworking tutorials to take your skills even further, make sure to check out my website, woodcraftingideas.com. You'll find complete project plans, tool guides, and even a full tutorial on how to build stylish, space-saving bookshelves. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these small woodworking project ideas inspire you to start building and earning this very weekend. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable woodworking content every single week. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next project. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep turning wood into something amazing.